If you find yourself banned from Cash App, you may want to appeal the decision. This guide will walk you through the steps to effectively appeal your ban. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant information related to your Cash App account, including your account number, email address, phone number, and any communication you've had with Cash App regarding the ban. Step 2. Review Cash App policies. Familiarize yourself with Cash App's terms of service and community guidelines. Understanding the reasons for your ban can help you craft a more effective appeal. Step 3. Contact customer support. Reach out to Cash App's customer support through the app or their website. Use the contact support feature to submit your appeal, providing all necessary details and explaining why you believe the ban should be lifted. Step 4. Be clear and concise. When writing your appeal, be clear and concise. State your case politely, provide any evidence that supports your claim, and express your willingness to comply with Cash App's policies in the future. Step 5. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, follow up with customer support. Be patient but persistent, as it may take time for them to review your appeal. In conclusion, appealing a ban on Cash App requires careful preparation and clear communication. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of having your account reinstated.